Oh, are you sleeping? Are you sleepy, Otter? Mm-hmm. That's nice. Yeah. You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see?
This one's having a day. Okay. I'm sorry.
Claw is our master. Claw chooses who will go and who will stay. I have been chosen. Farewell, my friends. I go on to a better place.
Catnip, I want a mouse. Catch me a mouse as fast as I meow. Swat it, lick it, and pierce it with your teeth. Put it in the litter for you and me.
I hate. Wait. I'm done hating. Today is love. I love today.
Get a German Shepherd puppy, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
Excuse you, Chewy.
Here comes the boy. Hello, boy. Welcome. There he is. He is here. Sweet girl. Hey, sweet girl. Hey, sweet girl. Hello. Hi. Yeah, hi. Hi.
Who is the goofiest? Who sheds the most? Who is the craziest? Who is the most handsome?
I was busy thinking about
Decided to take Bolt to class today, and let's just say I think everyone fell in love with him.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Rawr.
Show the moment your cats realized they found their forever home.
I will always love you.
Yes.
How I do.
Okay, so take a hoodie and put on backwards, and then put your cat in there.
Bark at your dog and see what they do.
El sol acarició mi corazón. Con flores te llevaste mi tristeza con colores.
Go get it. Ei, bebê. Bom dia.
We love you. We love you. I love you.
I was just trying to take a video of this car when I got a surprise.
Big bees.
I'm sorry, I don't know why she didn't want to pet you. I'm sorry, Leia. I love you. Hello?
Summer, don't you think the babies are getting kind of old? No. You want to keep feeding them? You sure? You don't have to. I give them food every day.
This is Sky. She's born deaf. And when it's time to go for a walk, she doesn't understand. This is how we tell her. We just thought the world should see this.
Poppy! She's like, everyone
Look at all of those. Your little babies. Your little babies. Oh, yeah.
Squishy! Hey, baby! Squishy, guess what? We got 10 million followers on TikTok, Squishy. Phew, the cheekies.
to you. Happy birthday, dear Zoe. Happy birthday to you.
Pretend you're on a phone call but use your dog's favorite words.
Hi, yes, I'm trying to reach Grandma. No, not that Grandma. The other Grandma. Oh, okay. Hi, Grandma. How are you? Yeah, I just wanted to call and confirm that you're putting together that package of treats. Okay, awesome. Now, do we need to go for a walk to get those? Oh, we should go on a car ride. Now, are you at home? You're not at home. Okay, so we don't need to go to your home at all. Awesome. Will there also be sticks in that packages? And how about chicken? Okay, thank you so much for doing that, Grandma. Will Artemis or Judy or Mac be there? Great, that's fantastic. Do we need to meet you outside? Upstairs or downstairs? Okay, great. Thanks, Grandma.
They say when you meet the love of your life, time stops.
Love is passion. Love is passion. Love is passion. Obsession. 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 Someone you can't live without. You can't live without. I say, fall head over heels. Find someone you can love like crazy and who will love you the same way back. How do you find him? Well, how do you find him? Well?
Hi, how are you feeling today, baby? Yeah?
I present to you something legendary. It's so cute. Like, oh my god. Like, oh, hi. No.
Thank you. I love you too. Oh my gosh.
Okay, give me love.
Bailey! Like to give him the treat or skip to give him the chocolate muffin? That's bad for dogs. He really wants it. Oh, they liked.
Open your mouth. Open. Open, 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 open. Open, open, open. Oh, come on.
Good morning. The sun comes up and Hermes gets up. Good morning. You have a good sleep, buddy? Yeah.
When my corgi was 9 weeks old,
It's got a fucking handle on it. He likes it. He's just like, yeah, just chilling, going to the boat.